Sum number 17, f of x given by x divided by square root of 7 minus 3x. So we can write as x divided by square root of 7 minus 3x. I can write as whole power of 1 by 2. To differentiate, it will be very easy for me. It can be taken as u, it will be taken as v. You know the formula? You know the formula v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. F of x differentiate is f dash of x. First write v. What is v here? V is not this one. So 7 minus 3x. This, in spite of writing whole power of 1 by 2, I can write a square root. For differentiate only 1 by 2 is useful. V write as it is. V is nothing but 7 minus 3x whole power of 1 by 2. Next u dash. Differentiate of u, x differentiate is 1 minus. Write u as it is, x. Now v dash. For v dash you take it as it is. V dash, first bring down the power 1 by 2, 7 minus 3x, 1 by 2 minus 1. Power differentiate 1 by 2, 7 minus 3, 1 by 2 minus 1. Next differentiate 7 differentiate 0 minus 3x. X differentiate is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Whole divided by v square. We take this one as v. Square root of 7 minus 3x the whole square. So square and square root gets cancelled. So square root of 7 minus 3x minus, this becomes x by 2. 7 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Listen carefully. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. This 1 minus 1 by 2 comes and becomes plus 1 by 2. 7 minus 3x plus 1 by 2. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Whole divided by 7 minus 3x. So next, listen carefully. This square root of 7 minus 3x minus into minus plus 3x divided by 2 into this 1 by 2 I get as square root of 7 minus 3x whole divided by 7 minus 3x. Now cross multiply here. 2 square root of 7 minus 3x into square root of 7 minus 3x becomes 7 minus 3x. You know, square root of x into square root of x nothing but x. Square root of 7 minus 3x, square root of 7 minus 3x becomes 7 minus 3x plus 3x. Divide by 2 into square root of 7 minus 3x whole divided by 7 minus 3x. So what is going to answer become 2 into 7 minus 3x plus 3x. This both will be multiplied. 2 into 7 minus 3x into square root of 7 minus 3x. This is the required answer. Otherwise you can multiply inside. 2 7s are 14. You can multiply and put the answer. 2 7s are 14. So put 14 minus 2 3s are 2 into 3 minus 6x. Minus 6x plus 3x. Minus 6x plus 3 becomes minus 3x. Minus 3x 2 into 7 minus 3x square root of 7 minus 3x. Y is equal to tan of cos x. Y differentiate is y dash or dy by dx. You know differentiate of tan x. Differentiate of tan x nothing but secant square x. The same differentiate of tan x. Tan x differentiate is nothing but secant square of cos x. We are differentiate for tan. Next cos. Cos differentiate is minus sin x. X differentiate is 1. You don't need to put. If you are going to put also 1 multiplied by anything is going to be 1. So we don't need to put. What is the answer is going to be secant square of cos x into minus sin x. That's all. Otherwise you want put, you can put 1 also, no problem. Therefore minus sin x into secant square of cos x. That's all. Sum number 19. Sum number 19 is y is equal to sin square x divided by cos x. The same u by v. You know formula v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Formula is this one. So y dash dy by dx. First write v as it is, cos x. U dash differentiate sin square x. First bring down power 2 sin x. Bring down power 2 sin x. Now differentiate sin x nothing but cos x minus u. Write u as it is sin square x. V dash differentiate cos x nothing but minus sin x divided by v square. V square is nothing but cos square x. V square is cos square x. Next what are you going to do? Listen. So sin x common. Take sin x outside. Divide by cos square x. Leave it as it is. Divide by sin x divided by cos square x. So what is the remaining here? Cos square x into cos square is nothing but 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x minus into minus plus sin x moved outside, so it becomes sin square x. So sin x divided by cos square x, open the bracket, 2 cos square x I can write as cos square x plus cos square x. You know cos square x plus cos square x is nothing but 2 cos square x plus sin square x. Therefore, sin x divided by cos square x, you know cos square x plus sin square x nothing but 1. So cos square x plus 1, cos square x plus 1 divided by, now I am going to reduce this cos square x here and here. So what becomes sin x cos square x divided by cos square x plus 1 divided by cos square x. So becomes sin x 1 plus cos square x nothing but secant square x. One of the important sum, y is equal to 5 power of minus 1 by x. So for this we need to write one formula. I told you the formula also. Differentiate of d by dx, a power x is equal to a power x into log a. This is the formula, a power x into log a. This sum you can use using the log, taking log on both sides also. But in spite of using taking log on both sides, I am going to use this type, because the next exercise we are going to see taking log on both sides only. So we use this formula and derive this sum. You can do in taking log on both sides also, no problem, you can get answer also. But I am going to do a power x into log a. Here a is nothing but 5 and here x is nothing but minus 1 by x. X is nothing but minus 1 by x. Here x differentiate is 1, but minus 1 by x I need to find a differentiate here. D by dx minus 1 by x differentiate is nothing but minus 1. This x moves upward becomes minus this x moves upward becomes x power minus 1. Now differentiate this one. How I can differentiate this one? Minus keep it as it is, bring down minus 1 as it is. Bring down minus 1 and decrease minus 1, decrease the power by minus 1. So it becomes minus into minus plus x power minus 2, we can write 1 by x square. Therefore, differentiate of minus 1 by x is nothing but 1 by x square. Differentiate of minus 1 by x nothing but 1 by x square. So y differentiate is y dash, otherwise we can write as dy by dx. You can write dy by dx. First see what is the formula, a power x, a is 5 power x is nothing but minus 1 by x. I have differentiated a power minus, if x means x differentiate is 1, they will not going to put here. In formula, if x means x differentiate is 1, they will not put in the formula. But here we have not got x here, we got minus 1 by x. So we need to differentiate minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x differentiate is nothing but 1 by x square. 1 by x square. Next log a. What is a? 5. So answer is nothing but 5 minus 1 by x divided by x square into log 5. You can do in taking log on both sides. We are going to study on next exercise. At present we will see this sum. Sum is 20 is over. Next 21. Y is equal to square root of 1 plus tan 2x. Sorry, 2 tan x. 2 tan x. So always the square root present, how we can write 1 plus 2 tan x whole power of 1 by 2. Y dash dy by dx. Differentiate. First bring down power 1 by 2. 1 plus 2 tan x whole power of 1 by, reduce the power by 1 minus 1. Next, after differentiating power, go into 1 differentiate is 0 plus 2 is a constant. Tan x differentiate is secant square x. Listen very carefully. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. This minus 1 by 2 I will going to put down. 1 plus 2 tan x whole power of 1 by 2. This is going to be 2 into secant square x. 2 gets cancelled. So secant square x divided by this 1 by 2 I can write square root of 1 plus 2 tan x. Y is equal to sin cube x plus cos cube x. Very easy sum. Y dash is equal to dy by dx. First differentiate sin cube, bring down power down. First differentiate power, bring down power down. 3 sin, reduce the power, 2x. Differentiate for 3 is over, power is over. Next differentiate for sin x nothing but cos x. Plus the same, 3 cos square x. Bring down power, reduce the power. Cos x differentiate is minus sin x. So what is common here? 3 is common. Then what is common here? Cos x. Here also cos x, sin x common. So take 3 cos x and sin x outside. If we are going to take 3 cos x 3 cos x sin x moved outside, the remaining sin x here. Plus into minus, minus. Cos x sin x moved, remaining cos x. That's all, answer is over. If you easily understand the sum is going to be easy. Next sum number is 23. Y is equal to sine square cos of kx. Listen carefully. Y differentiate is y dash, otherwise dy by dx. First, always we need to differentiate the power. First, bring down the power. 2 sine, reduce the power by 1, nothing but cos kx. Cos kx. So bring down the power, reduce the power. So power differentiate is over. Next I need to differentiate sine. Sine differentiate cos x. So you need to cos of cos kx. I think you can easily understand. First, bring down the power. What is the first thing we need to do? What we need to do? First, bring down the power and reduce the power by 1. It's over. 2 sine cos kx. After finishing power, I need to differentiate sine. Sine is nothing but cos. Cos of cos kx. After over sine, I need to differentiate cos kx. You know, differentiate of cos kx. Cos is nothing but minus. Minus of sine kx. Sine over cos. Next differentiate of cos k. K is a constant. X differentiate is 1. See how long going to be. But nice sum. First differentiate power, next sine, next cos, next kx. 1 by 1 moves inside. So before moving this, you know the formula. What is the formula? Sine 2x. Sine 2x formula is nothing but 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Okay, see here 2 sin cos kx cos kx. So I can't able to understand, means I will teach you, listen here. 2 sin. 2 sin. What is x here? X is nothing but cos kx. 2 sin x cos x. Here also cos kx, here also cos kx. Listen carefully. 2 sin x. 2 sin x plus cos x. 2 sin x cos x. What is x here? Kx. What is x here? What is x here? Cos kx. What is x here? Cos kx. This is cos kx, cos kx. If I want, I ready to write formula. 2 sin x cos x. The x is same, no? So you can apply the formula. What is the formula? Sin 2x. What is the formula? Sin 2x. Before writing, I will write this one. Minus sin kx. Now apply formula. Sin 2. What is x here? Cos kx. So we have easily finished the sum. Sum number 23 is over. Next we move to sum number 24. What is sum number 24 here? Y is equal to 1 plus cos square x whole power 6. Y dash dy by dx. First differentiate power. Bring down the power 6. 1 plus cos square x. Reduce the power 5. Next, after differentiating the power, move inside. 1 differentiate is 0 plus cos square x. Bring down the power, reduce the power. 2 cos x. 2 cos x. Cos x differentiate is minus sin x. Cos x differentiate is minus sin x. So here see 6 2's are 12. 12 1 plus cos square x into 5. Minus present, put minus here. 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x, nothing but sin 2x. That's all. Minus I put outside here. Sin x 2 sin x cos x, nothing but sin 2x. The sum is over. Sum number 25. You can take u by v, you know formula, v u dash minus u v dash by v square is a formula. Y dash is equal to dy by dx. First write v. What is v? 1 plus e power x. U dash differentiate e power 3x. E power 3x differentiate e power 3x. E power x differentiate is e power x. E power 3x no, e power 3x. Now differentiate 3x. 3x nothing but 3. X differentiate is 1 minus u. What is u? E power 3x. V dash 1 differentiate 0 plus e power x differentiate e power x divided by v square. 1 plus e power x the whole square. So what is common here? E power 3x, e power 3x common. E power 3x. Then what is the remaining? 3 into 1 plus e power x minus e power x divided by 1 plus e power x the whole square. Next, e power 3x, open the bracket, multiply 3 plus 3 e power x minus e power x 1 plus e power x the whole square, e power 3x, this become 3, this become plus 2 e power x divided by 1 plus e power x the whole square. You can stop the sum here also, otherwise you can proceed by multiplying here. 3 into e power 3x nothing but 3 into e power 3x plus 2 e power x, multiply this one, e power 3x, 1 plus e power x the whole square, 3 e power 3x plus 2 e power x plus e power 3x, x plus 3x nothing but 4x, e power 4x divided by 1 plus e power x the whole square. You can stop the sum here itself.